JRideReviews. Y'all having a wonderful weekend as I am. Y'all know I'm doing my thing. Got on the merch, Champion Auto Sales merch. Over here at Champion Auto Sales, of course. Won't be wearing their merch anywhere else at another dealer, no. But anyway, I got a 2012 Infiniti QX56. Are y'all looking for one of these? Y'all check it out. Are y'all seriously like looking for one of these? I know where one is, but it's first come, first serve. It's a hot item, man. But anyway, full luxury vehicle, man. 3 rows, sunroof, wonderful looking interiors. Got TVs in the back for the kiddos. Got headphones, wireless headphones. It's got everything you need. Y'all check it out. Once again, I'm about to hop into this review. I'm gonna take it for a spin, go over all the features, all that stuff like that, and we'll just go from there. All right, y'all hang tight. What's going on, J Riders? We are in the interior of this beautiful Infiniti QX56. Man, the gauges look like sophisticated clocks, watches, I mean, as you can see. Yes, sir. Look at that. Timepiece, instrumentation. Timepiece, instrumentation. Very nice look, right? Anyway, soft touch materials everywhere. Tilt and telescoping steering wheel, as y'all can see. Up, down, front to the back. It's coming towards me. It's coming towards me. Oh yeah. Plethora of different features here in the steering wheel. It's got a 360 camera. It's very, very, very loaded for this 2012. Got a reverse camera, 360 cameras everywhere, as y'all can see. That's all the way around the vehicle there. Very nice touch there. Safety, safety, safety. Yes, sir. The mirrors fold down in reverse too as well, as you can see, on both sides. So that's a nice touch. Some customers coming through. Day-night mirror, sunglass holder. Yeah, yeah. Got my shades on. You got your shades on? Believe it. Okay. Anyway, sunroof, man, I mean, it's fully loaded here. We have the controls for, you got a snow mode, got a tow mode, traction off. It's full-time 4-wheel drive, but you can lock it down in 4 high or 4 low. So that's a nice touch just by this touch button here. Over here in the center, because you got this quality-looking gear lever. You got heated seats here in the front. This button next to it is for the power folds seats right here. Second row seats, you can fold them with this button. And you can also fold them manually. You got a heated steering wheel, and it's just, like I said, it's totally fully loaded. Cigarette lighter right there in the middle, kind of break up everything. Heated seats in the front, heated seats in the rear as well. Very nice. Look at this birch wood. It looks very nice. High quality interior material. What do you expect from Infiniti? Comes with the Bose stereo system, as y'all can see. Very nice. I mean, airbags everywhere, curtain airbags. It's up here above the pillar, the B pillar. Visibility is awesome here, as you can see. Look at that hood. Look at that big old hood covering up that 5.6 V8, 400 horsepower, y'all. Yes, sir. Anyway, very nice touch. I'm gonna let y'all check everything out real quick. I'm just gonna do a panoramic of everything. Let y'all check everything out. I'm gonna hush my mouth, hush that fuzz. Everybody get to the back of the bus. All right, y'all hang tight. I'm gonna jump into the back seat, let y'all check that out. Go over some of the features back there real quick. Like, as you can see at different parts of the video, it has a power lift gate on it. I mean, it's got everything, man. It's very, very nice. It does have a manual mode. If you want to put that down, bump it over, you can downshift, upshift. All right, won't let me upshift because we are standing still. But anyway, y'all hang tight. I'm gonna get in the back seat, get a motivational minute for this beautiful, beautiful day. This is the day. This is the day. But anyway, we're gonna do that, and then I'm gonna take it for a spin. Y'all hang tight, okay? Please keep watching. Very excited about this. Back seat. Yay, yay, yay. All right, so we are here. All right, put this seatbelt up. Y'all check this thing out. Captain's chair is here in the center row. It's got 3 rows, by the way. Yes, sir. All right, let's hop into this thing, man. Woo, the view, the view, the view. How beautiful it is. There you go. This is a view from the back seat. Theater style chairs. Like I said, these sit up a little bit higher than the ones in the front. You got your TVs back here. Yes, sir. On both headrests. Here in the center, these things come with their own little headphones. Wireless, by the way. Let me pull them out for you. Very nice. You got 2 sets for the kiddos. Put them back in a minute. Once again, you got this awesome birch wood trim here. Looks very, very nice. Got some cup holders back here. You got heated seats in the second row. Let me turn this heater off. There you go. All right. Got air conditioning controls back here in the back. Big center console. Lay a drink or 2 up there, whatever. Bunch of air conditioning vents back here in the back. Very, very, very nice touch. Very nice. Here's the 3rd row, y'all. I ain't gonna hop back there. You got cup holders over there. You also have the power adjustment things to move these up and down as well. Like I said, very nice, man. Luxury at its finest, Infiniti style, baby. Yes, sir. Y'all come see my crew over here at Champion Auto, please. Tell them you saw it on JRideReviews. And while y'all do me a favor, you know, please subscribe to my channel so I can get more content out here to you guys. I do this part-time, but this is my passion. This is my love. And just gonna share this with everybody, you know what I'm saying? So, like I always tell you in all my videos, be good. And if you ain't gonna be good, what I need you to do? What I need you to do? Be good at it. Yes, sir. Y'all hang tight. I'm gonna give y'all this motivational minute. Yo, JRiders, what's going on, everybody? How y'all doing? Today's motivational minute brought to you by me.com. Just stay positive. Positive vibes only. If you ain't positive, become positive. Be great. Be great at what you do. Be great in what you love. And like I said, man, this is my passion, so I'm sharing it with the community, with Tallahassee, with my crew over here at Champion Auto, and I'm gonna share it with you guys. So please, please, if you're not a part of the team already, please hit the subscribe button down here somewhere. Like the videos. Like I said, this all makes my videos more visible to everybody. And just go from there, y'all. Y'all be good, and y'all ain't, if you ain't gonna be good, just be good at it. You know what I mean? Yes, sir. Ricardo the barber, thank you, my boy. Hey, he's part of the champion team. I had a great barber before, but like I said, I met Mr. Ricardo in traffic by accident. Somebody cut him off on Tennessee Street. He was blowing. I thought he was blowing at me to be funny or whatever, and then we chopped it up at the next stoplight. You know, said it was just an accident. And then I came over here, and a couple of days later, I think it was, I came over here, and he was coming through the lot, and I was like, "Hey, bro, I know you from somewhere." And we started chopping it up, and he told me what he did. And he's part of the Champion family as well. Y'all need a haircut in Tallahassee, Florida, go see my boy at Champion's Barbershop, Ricardo the barber. He's the owner. Yes, sir. It's all about getting a circle together, man. Circle of friends, contacts, and that's what it's all about. But back to this motivational minute, man. Just remember one thing. Everything happens for a reason in its own season. Second thing to remember is that God got our backs regardless of what we do. You know, we do our thing. A lot of people, you know, live from Sunday, do everything during the week, and then on Sunday they want to give props and all that stuff like that. God is here for us 7 days of a week, regardless of how you do what you do, how you do what you do. So what I'm saying is, just remember one thing, that he's here for us. Stay prayed up, give your time to him like he gives all of his time to you. And you know, just be great at all times, and everything will work out in your time for your favor. And it's just a blessing to be able to do this, man. These guys are awesome. They let me come over here and do my thing. I'm working on a couple other things as well, and hopefully maybe one day this will be my full-time thing. Right now I do it part-time after work, and so it's just a passion. So anyway, I know I'm rambling off at the mouth, but it's all good in the hood, man. I love each one of y'all. Thank y'all for checking out my videos, checking out everything, man. Get you a solid team as you go up. Just remember this one thing: as you go up, your circle is gonna get smaller. But you know, just the way it is. Separation equals elevation. So anyway, y'all guys take care. Keep watching. I'm about to take this thing for a spin, and we'll go from there. All right, take care. Love each one of y'all, man. Appreciate you. Yo. Subscribe to my channel, to the channel. Yeah. All right, J Riders, let's go for a ride. First thing you notice is how quiet this thing is. Super quiet. So like I said, first things first, you notice how quiet this thing is. Very nice touches everywhere. Man, and she look like she want to jump a little bit. Got a little power to it. We at a stoplight, of course. Y'all hang tight, and we'll get to going here in a little bit. How's y'all day going? How's everybody going today? How's it going? Just let me know down in the comments. Have y'all been interested in the Infiniti, the big boy? Let me know. Here we go. Switch this camera up. Y'all hang tight.
Swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Caught me slipping.
Uh-oh, y'all caught me slipping. Working on the weekend like usual. Yay! Alright, so we headed back to the dealership. Just like I said, I just want to give y'all a little perspective of this QX56 2012. Man, what a beautiful power plant. Smooth ride. Like I said, man, features abound. Y'all check out the full video. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. And we'll just go from there, man. I hope y'all having a blessed weekend, a blessed day, a blessed year. JRideReviews, positivity, positive vibes only. You know what I mean? We'll just go from there. Got a good system, by the way, too. That Bose sounds really good. But yeah, man, let it speak for itself, man. This is blessed by the best, man. Never settle for less. So we about to turn back into the dealership, and let me know what you guys think, man. Let me know what y'all think. I think it's a great buy. I think it's a great truck. I enjoyed my time with it, and we'll just go from there. That 5.6 is eager to move something. So we're back over at Champion Auto. Right here is the that's the finance office. All right, so like I said, final thoughts, man. Beautiful truck. I enjoy my time with it, man. I always get sad when I have to bring these beautiful vehicles back, but that's part of the process, man. Trust the process, trust in God. Everything will work out in your time, in due time. Everybody's blueprint is different. You can't build a house based off of somebody else's blueprint. Build your own, be great at it, man. Champion Auto got the merch on, y'all feel me? Support those who support you, and we're gonna make it. God bless you. God keep you to the next time, man. Check out my channel, and we'll just go from there. JRideReviews.